Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Oh, let me get this up. This is for my video that I just made, but that will be uploaded in a few minutes. But I will show you guys my slime collection. Let me get the other slime. This is another one. And I had some toothpaste slime, but it got hard. And the other slime is in the room. This is the glue. And this one. I use white glue because that's the only thing I like. And these are my slime containers. These. This. This. I don't think I saw that. That. This. And here is the top for this one. And